In this video, I will show you how to create or add YouTube as a shortcut on your desktop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, as you can see, I've actually got a few different shortcuts that I've added, and I'm going to show you how to do this with Google Chrome, but the process is very similar if you do use a different browser, like for example Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Now, to get started, what you want to do is open up your browser, and once you've done that, just head over to youtube.com. Now, once you're on YouTube, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. First, what you can do is click onto the address bar to highlight the address, and what you can do is simply hold down your left mouse button and drag and drop this onto your desktop, which is going to create a shortcut. And when we double click, of course, as you can see, it's going to directly open up YouTube. Now, another way to do this specifically for Chrome is you can actually install YouTube as an app. So once you're on youtube.com, if you look to the right hand side of the address bar, you're going to see this icon here with a picture of like a computer screen with a little arrow. So you'll notice when I hover over this icon, it says install YouTube. If we give that a click, you're going to get a window come up saying to install app. At this point, click the install button, and what it's going to do is install YouTube as its own separate app. So you can actually come back to your desktop. You can see I've got YouTube installed as an app, and we can double click this to open up YouTube as its own separate app on your desktop. So that's how to create or add a YouTube shortcut on your desktop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.